Introducing the newly completed CA5 series of CVD coated grades for steel. In addition to CA515 and CA525 for long tool life and stable steel machining, grade CA510 is now available for high-speed machining, and grade CA530 for heavy interrupted and high-feed machining completes the new lineup. Let's take a closer look at the key advantages of the CA5 series. The first advantage is the high coating film adhesion. The interface strength has improved by 40% over the conventional grade. Second, high hardness and toughness in our alpha aluminum oxide layer provide longer tool life. Third, the smooth, uniform surface generates low cutting forces and prevents chip welding, which can lead to fracturing. The fourth advantage is the new carbide substrate with improved deformation resistance at high temperatures. This allows high-efficiency machining by 10% improved high-temperature hardness. And finally, the completion of the perfect series of PG, PP, and PQ chip breakers. Now let's examine the features of the PG chip breaker for medium and rough machining. The PG chip breaker is a solution for chip compacting and improves chip control during low and high feed machining. The PG chip breaker also controls crater wear through the twin dot structure. In this case study, CA525 and PG chip breaker provided longer tool life than the competitor product. The PP chip breaker for finishing prevents chip compacting and tangling at small depths of cut with increased feed rates. The PQ chip breaker for finishing and medium machining reduces chip compacting and cutting force. These three chip breakers create an effective combination to cover a broad range of steel machining applications. Give CA5 series an opportunity to advance your productivity. The PP chip breaker, available in positive rate geometries for steel machining. The PP chip breaker promotes stable machining by solving problems such as productivity decline due to chip entanglement. The PP chip breaker's performance is stable and reliable due to its high edge strength. The composite dot chip breaker design improves chip control in various applications. Let's check the chip evacuation performance. The PP chip breaker breaks steel into fine chips, preventing them from becoming entangled in the hole. There are no chips remaining in the workpiece after machining with the PP chip breaker. The competitor's chip breaker generates irregular shaped chips, but the PP generates consistent chips, even while increasing the feed rate. When machining soft steel, the competitor's chip breaker generates irregular chips, but the PP chip breaker maintains stable chip control. This case study shows the PP chip breaker's excellent chip evacuation performance. The PP chip breaker is offered in multiple insert grades, making it applicable to a wide range of steel machining applications. The PP chip breaker has the potential to improve your finishing operation. The MFH for high efficiency and high feed machining. The MFH cutter reduces chattering and is available for a wide range of applications. Convex edge design reduces cutting forces at initial impact with the workpiece. The MFH has three types of inserts for a variety of machining options. Introducing three different types of chip breakers, the GM for general use, LB for large AP, and FL with wiper edge. The GM type insert is the first recommendation for general use. It is suitable for cycle time reduction. This is a comparison with the conventional style cutter. The GM type insert shows superior machining efficiency. Case study: the GM chip breaker shows excellent performance compared to the competitor. The GM type insert is available for various applications such as helical milling, plunging, and ramping. The LD type insert is suitable for both large AP and high feed machining. As you see, when removing scale from a workpiece, the first pass is at a large AP, but high feed machining is available from the second pass. The LD type insert is suitable for both large AP and high feed machining. The FL type insert is suitable for smaller type machining centers with low rigidity. The FL type insert has a wiper edge for finer surface finishes. For insert grades, in addition to PR1525 for steel and PR1510 for cast iron machining, we have CA6535 for nickel-based heat-resistant alloy and martensitic stainless steel, and PR1535 for titanium alloy and precipitation-hardened stainless steel. This is the wear resistance comparison of PR1525 and CA6535. Wear progress is slower even after machining the same amount of time. Face mill, end mill, and modular heads are available to cover a variety of machining requirements. Consider the MFH for the future of high efficiency and high feed machining. The MRX, the radius cutter for lower cutting forces and high efficiency machining. The new radius cutter with lower cutting forces and smoother cutting performance for high efficiency machining, the MRX, is now available. Let's introduce the advantages of the MRX. Positive type insert and helical cutting edge with maximum axial rate of 10 degrees allows for low cutting force machining. This comparison data shows lower cutting forces of the MRX. Flat lock structure holds the insert firmly in place and prevents the insert from spinning during machining. The MRX is available for various types of applications. The lineup includes the GM chip breaker for general use, SM chip breaker for low cutting forces, and G8 chip breaker for heavy machining. For the GM chip breaker, both M-class and G-class inserts are available. For insert grades, in addition to PR1525 for steel and PR1510 for cast iron machining, we have CA6535 for nickel-based heat-resistant alloy and martensitic stainless steel, and PR1535 for titanium alloy and precipitation-hardened stainless steel to meet the demands of various types of workpieces. This shows the wear resistance comparison of CA6535 and PR1525. You can see the superior performance when compared to the competitors. This case study shows the improvement in tool life of the PR1525 and PR1535. In addition to the face mill and end mill lineup, a modular head is also available. Choose the most suitable one for your application. Try the MRX radius cutter for lower cutting forces and high efficiency machining. The newly released MRW cutter, high efficient multi-corner radius type. The MRW has an economical 8-edge insert design. The cutting edge is sharp and strength has been improved due to obtuse edge design. Try the new MRW, economical and highly efficient double-sided insert for various types of workpieces. New expansion of Easy Bar indexable boring lineup. The Easy Bar for indexable boring offers cost efficiency with the same benefits of indexable tooling on a high-precision solid boring bar. 60% shorter setup time. Excellent repeatability of edge height and tool length. In addition to steel, solid carbide bars are available for long-reach applications. The 3D Sharp Edge Chip Breaker series for automatic lathe. The chip control-oriented GQ, GF, and CF breakers. 2 new chip breakers have been released, the low cutting force-oriented CK breaker and the sharp edge with good chip control-oriented SK breaker. Kyocera can solve all your chip control issues in small parts processing. The Counterboring Tool 2ZDK. The 2ZDK's 180-degree flat bottom allows for various machining applications such as slant surfaces, combination smooth chip control and high rigidity due to special flute shape. Now for some demonstrations. Hold counterboring. Counterboring after chamfer. Counterboring on an angled surface. Hold expanding and offsetting. Plunging on thin plate. As you can see, the 2ZDK covers a wide range of applications. Highly rigid short and flute style is now available. Take advantage of all that 2ZDK has to offer. The high-performance ball nose end mill 2SEB series. Longer tool life is achieved by distributing machining force through our innovative helical radius design. Achieve high precision and superior surface finish, even when entire cutting edge is engaged. Stable chip evacuation achieved by large clearance design, even under large depth of cut. MegaCoat Nano provides a fine and smooth cutting edge with superior wear and adhesion resistance. Customer remarks, 2SEB outperforms competitor. Better surface finish than that of competitor. Choose 2SEB and increase profit and productivity. Kyocera has a large lineup of quality tools to increase your productivity. Here is some additional information of our products. KGD, new cutoff holder for automatic lathe. A new tool holder for sub-spindle is also available. New face grooving KGDF type lineup expansion. The GH breaker for high feed machining and integral type tool holder is now available. The new CDN insert KDN 570 for sintered steel machining. Highly stable sharp cutting edge reduces burrs on workpiece. Kyocera can increase your productivity by high efficiency and precision processing.